Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the car accident attorney in Houston's. So guys, attorney lawyers fight back with the Houston car accident lawyers if you are injured in a crash. Our experienced attorney was not let you get punished around. If you were injured in a Texas if you injured in a Texas crash, that was not your fault. Let our Houston car accident attorney handle your case and fight to get you the compensation. Knowing what your rights are after a car accident and trying to fight out how much your claim is worth can be overwhelming in the aftermath of a serious crash. But you do not need to go down this road alone. Smith and Hassler has over 30 years of experience getting results for clients in Houston and is prepared to help you maximize the value of your claim. From a debilitating case of whiplash to a survive concussions, there are many different types of car accident injury that you or someone you love can sustain in a crash. You may have been transported to ER or need a extended stay in the hospital. It could be that you had to undergo diagnostic tests such as a X-ray, CT scan and MRI. For treatment you may require physical therapy, medication, surgery, and maybe even long-term care. Expense after a car accident can pile up quickly, but if you did not do anything to cause your crash, you should not have to pay for someone else's reckless mistake. Unfortunately, a lot of crash victims end up having a hard time trying to recover compensation for their damage. So that's because insurance companies are notorious for making lowball settlement offer, or worse yet blaming the entire accident on you. Call our law firm. Our attorney know how to. What should I do after a car accident? If you are involved in a car accident, do your best to remain calm so you can assess the situation. After that, you should remain a scene and call 911. If anyone has been injured and need emergency medical attention, ask the dispatcher to send an ambulance. Otherwise, let them know you were in an accident and wait for the investigation officer to arrive. If you are involved in hit and run accident, which sometimes happen with uninsured drivers, do not attempt to follow or catch after the other drivers. Call the police right away and give them a description of the vehicle's drivers and what direction they were heading if you are able to. Exchanging information with anyone involved in the crash, get their name, address, phone number, plate number, and insurance information. Do not talk about the car accident or argue about who are at fault. Take a lot of picture of the crash scene. Remember the include damage to every vehicles, not just your, and do not forget to take photo of any visible injury. If anyone witnessed your accident, see if they are willing to give you their name and contact information. Witness testimonial can be a critical piece of evidence when determining a fault. Write down the details of your crash before your money fades, not the time and location of your accident, weather conditions, road hazards, constructions, and any other relevant information. See a doctor within 24 hours of your crash. You should get examined by a licensed medical professional. Even if you are not experiencing any noticeable pain or symptoms, you may have a serious injury, and not even if you are not realize it. Injuries such as whiplash or concussions or a traumatic brain injury can have delayed outset symptoms. Follow your doctor's orders for treatment and attend all follow-up appointments. If you claim you were injured and wait too long to see a doctor or miss scheduled appointment, that can be a red flag for the insurance company. Notify your insurance company. Tell them you were in a car accident, but do not go into too much detail. Keep your comments brief and just give them to basic factors. So guys, in this video we will discuss all the things about this. So we will meet soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.